Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let me show you how I make a strawberry frappe. I feel like a frappe today, so I want to show you and also explain to you how you can make different variations of a shake, a frappe, even a smoothie, you know. Okay, so let's give it a try. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, share the video, and also let's talk about for a minute the Ninja. That's what I'm going to be using. The Ninja is a great tool because it's you can make frappes, smoothies. It's a food processor. It's a mixer. You can puree food. It just is such a great tool to have. And I would consider, if I was you, if I were going to buy a food processor or a mixer, I would consider buying the Ninja so that you have all of that in one tool, and that you can have that right at your fingertips when you need it, okay? And you don't have to bring out 3 or 4 different items in order to process your stuff, your food, right? Okay, so let's give it a shot. I'm in Massachusetts. It's 80-some degrees here today. So a frappe would be just great, right? Cool me down. Alright, so let's give it a try. Okay, this is the Ninja, and it comes with several pots. You have 2 of this size container, and then you have a medium one and a very large one with blades, so that you can use it for whatever use you need to use it for. Okay? Alright. So I have some Brio's strawberry ice cream. That's what we're going to be using today. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put anything that's hard on the top, because when I put the blade on right here and I flip this over, the blade is going to be working here first, right? So that's why you want to put anything that's hard or frozen towards the blade. Okay, so I'm going to put the ice cream in because you know that's soft. Can't get it off. Okay. That's about half of this container of strawberry ice cream, okay? Now, clean this up. Okay, so the next thing I have is I actually have some fresh strawberries, okay? It's about 7 of them. So I'm going to put that in. That'll give it a nice fresh flavor. I also have some frozen, it says berry banana blend, so that means it has bananas and berries in there. So the berry is blueberry strawberry, okay? So we're going to add that. If I had just regular frozen strawberries, I would use that, but I'm going to use what I have. Okay. So as you can see, these are frozen. So I'm going to add that in because that gives it some thickness. You know, when you have a frappe, you want it thick. Okay, so I have about 5, okay, let's go with 6 strawberries in there. Okay, now I have some strawberry flavor that you would put over ice cream. I'm going to use this as my flavor. If you don't have this, you can use strawberry extract, okay? Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's about, I say 3 or 4 tablespoons full. Okay, and now you need some kind of liquid to break this down. So normally you would add milk, okay? And in my case, I'm going to add the French vanilla cream that I use in my coffee. I love this flavor, so I'm going to use this. You can use milk if you like. Okay. Alright, so I think I used maybe a fourth of a cup of this French vanilla. Alright, so let's put our blade on. You just screw it right on. Now before we even start, this might get really thick, and if it does, you will see that it's not moving well. You can open this, take this off, open it up, and you can either add some more milk, or in my case the French vanilla cream, or water. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, and I do want to warn you, the Ninja is a little loud. So you're going to hit boost, which is right here in the middle. Okay, that's the fastest speed. And while I'm here, let me tell you some of the options they have here. Puree, extract, smoothie, if you're making a smoothie. So you know if you're making a smoothie, you're going to add yogurt, okay, instead of the ice cream, okay, and the fruit. Alright. Frozen drinks. This is a mixer, okay. So pulse means you're going to hit the start button, and pulse means to stop. So it'll stop and it'll go, it'll stop and it'll go, okay? Alright, so we're going to hit boost, and then hit start. Okay, the number went up to 25. I think I'm going to stop there. So I buy these containers from Dunkin' Donuts. It's 25 cents with the lid. 1 second. Okay, so you can see it's it looks okay. We'll see. I'm going to open this. Oh yeah. It's nice and thick in there. Let me let you see that. Ah, it's too thick. It won't run down. Okay, I'm going to add some milk. Okay, so we're going to add some more French vanilla cream, because if it's too thick to come down, how are you going to get it out? So you want it thick, but not to the point where you can't get it down into the container. Okay, so I added some more milk. That was probably half of a fourth of a cup of milk. Let's give that a try. And if you want to make this process faster, just add water. I guarantee you that will do it. I seen it drop down from the top when it was mixing, so I know that that's good now. It's moving. That's how you can tell. Okay, let's see. Yep. See? All right. We're out. You're not going to get much more out of there. Okay, let me get my straw. If I can put the top on. Okay, there we go. Oh, and the straw came too for 25 cents. That's a good deal, right? Think about that. Let me show you while I drink it. Okay guys, let's taste. You seen, I almost tasted it without showing you. I wanted it so bad I forgot. Okay. Wow. You talking about a blast of strawberry taste? Yes. So the strawberry ice cream, the strawberry syrup, and the strawberries, frozen and fresh, put that flavor straight through. Please, make you one, okay? It's a great day to make one. Strawberry Frappe. Yummy. Mmm. Thank you for hanging around. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Check out my links below if you want to support this channel. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon. And until next time, Grandma Ray loves you. Bye-bye.